Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a 5-foot LED motion sensor Hutch light for less than $30. So this is all you'll need for this project: a 10-foot motion sensor LED strip light, magnetic tape that's 0.6 inches wide by 10 feet. I got extra so I can mount the motion sensor onto the toolbox also. Make sure before you start cutting anything that the light does operate. Once you cut it, you can't return it. Stretch out the LED and find the 5-foot pads and make a snip. There, you just cut your LED strip in half. Roll out the magnetic strip, cut it at 5'1". That'll give you a little extra for the connectors off the end. Peel the adhesive backing off the strip magnet. Peel the adhesive backing off the LED strip. Make sure that the adhesive's left on the strip. It's hard to see what I'm doing here, but the LED strip's a 1/4 inch wide roughly, so I'm placing the two adhesive sides together so they really stick, and favoring one side, we'll end up taking the other piece that we cut off and running it alongside this strip and connecting the two at the opposite end to make one light bar 2 LED strips wide. That's super bright. So as long as you cut the LED strip in the right place, there should be 2 little copper pads on the end that slide right into the provided connectors underneath the terminals. You can see there 2 copper pads and 2 silver connectors. Just slide it in all the way, close and snap the connector, and you're good to go. Looking back, I would have put this connector on that first strip before I actually stuck it down on the magnet, but that was my mistake and you can learn from it. So not that I couldn't do it, just would have been a little bit easier to do it first. Then when I put the second strip on, I just am trying to line up the little LED SMDs so they're in line with one another. Not that it matters, it's just my OCD. And that's it. Just take that second LED strip and lay it along the first one on the exposed adhesive and you're done. For less than $30, you have a 5-foot automatic motion sensing strip for in your Hutch workstation, under cabinet, whatever you need it for. I'm going to flip and show you what it looks like inside my toolbox. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys.
Dirty hands, clean money. Truth to be saying it funny. Steel hearts beating burn as the wheels of the world churn. Blood on the bowstrings and the rust. We hold the line, we earn the trust. Through the fire, through the grind, it's a blue collar state of mind.